Hi friends, welcome to English Guru YouTube channel. Now I am going to teach you some questions with answers. Which questions you will come across in your competitive exams? You may appear any competitive exams. So this type of questions will come. So my lovable friends, my amiable students, let's start. Question number 1. Select the most appropriate option to substitute the bold segment in the given sentence. If no substitution is required, select no improvement. Applications are to be sent to the principal before 30th May. Option A will be sent to. Option B are sending to. Option C no improvement. Option D we are being sent to. My lovable students, my amiable friends, if we shall write, applications will be sent to the principal before 30th May. We can also get the correct meaning of the sentence. It will be also correct if we shall write applications will be sent to the principal before 30th May. Option B, applications are sending to the principal before 30th May. It will be also correct. And option D, if we shall write applications we are being sent to the principal before 30th May. It will be also correct. So definitely my lovable students, its correct option will be option C, no improvement. Understood? Question number 2. Select the most appropriate option to fill in the blank. It is hard to conceive of a more dash route than the one that this determined traveler chose to follow. Option A, stimulating. B, dashing. C, daunting. D, provoking. My lovable students, my amiable friends, stimulating means exciting. Dashing means attractive. And option C, daunting means difficult to deal with in prospect. And provoking means irritating. My lovable students, my amiable friends, its correct option will be daunting. It is hard to conceive of a more daunting route than the one that this determined traveler chose to follow. Daunting means difficult to deal with in prospect. Question number 3. Select the correct passive form of the given sentence. The artist played the violin. My lovable students, my amiable friends, we have to know that this sentence has extracted from past simple aspect. So while we are changing a sentence into passive voice, we should most know that in which aspect this sentence has extracted from. Though the sentence has extracted from past simple aspect, this sentence has extracted from past simple aspect. So how can we change this sentence into passive voice? Rules are was, were plus V3. So definitely my lovable students, my amiable friends, we have to pick out the object. Here the violin is object and it is singular. That's why option D, the violin was played by the artist, because this sentence has extracted from past simple aspect. So how can we change the sentence into passive voice? We must follow the rule was, were plus V3. Understood? So its correct option will be the violin was played by the artist. Question number 4. Select the word which means the same as the group of words given, that which can be drawn into a thin wire. Option A ductile, B smooth, C flexible, D brittle. Let's analyze the meaning of these words. Option A ductile means the metals which can be bent. The metals which can be bent. Option B smooth, which means soft. Option C flexible, which means capable of bending easily without breaking. Capable of bending easily without breaking. And brittle, which means hard but liable to easily broken. Understood? My lovable students, its correct option will be ductile, which means the metals which can be bent easily. Understood? That which can be drawn into a thin wire, its correct answer will be ductile. Question number 5. Given below are 4 jumbled sentences. Select the option that gives their correct order. My lovable students, my amiable friends. A. Only natural dyes are used in kalamkari and it involves several steps. B. There are 2 distinctive styles of kalamkari in India. C. There are the Sri Kalahasti style and the Machilipattanam style. D. Kalamkari is a type of hand painted or block printed cotton textile produced in Indian states of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. My lovable students, my amiable friends, its correct option will be DABC. DABC. Question number 6. Select the most appropriate synonym of the given word. Select the most appropriate synonym of the given word obstacle. Option A benefit, which means helpful. Option B clearance, which means cleaning. Option C accessory, which means attractive. And option D barrier, which means obstacle. This is the correct option. Obstacle, barrier. Barrier is the synonym of obstacle. Question number 7. Select the correctly spelled word. My lovable students, my amiable friends. Option A 40th. Option B 40th. Option C 40th. Option D 40th. My lovable students, my amiable friends, we should know that which is the constituting number of 40. Its correct option will be option B 40. Question number 8. Select the correctly spelled word. My lovable students, my amiable friends, option A talent. Definitely this is wrong. It had to write TALENT. Option B sentiment. It is also wrong. It had to write SENTIMENT. Option C serenity. SERENITY. Definitely my lovable students, this is correct. And which means peaceful. Serenity means peaceful. Option D clever, which means intelligent. It had to write CLEVER. Understood? So here the correct option is serenity. This word has written correctly. Question number 9. In the sentence, identify the segment which contains the grammatical error. Cows are amongst the gentlest of animals, none shows more passionate tenderness towards their young. Option A, none shows more. B, towards their young. C, the gentlest of animals. D, cows are amongst. My lovable students, my amiable friends, take a glance here. None shows. Non always take plural verbs. We cannot use after none. We cannot use singular verb after none. Understood? We cannot write shows. Definitely this part is wrong. It should be none, show, more. So this is the wrong part. Option number A. Question number 10. Select the most appropriate option to fill in the blank. Charlie Chaplin's rise to fame paralleled dash growth of Hollywood movies in the past decades of the century. Option A, sluggish. What is the meaning of sluggish? Which means very slow. Option B, explosive, which means able or likely to shatter violently. Option C, progressing, which means improving. And option D, delayed, which means prolonged or late, become so late. So my lovable students, my amiable friends, its correct option will be explosive, which means able or likely to shatter violently. Question number 11. Select the synonym of concurrence. Select the synonym of concurrence. Option A, currency, which means the money of a country. Understood? Currency. And B, agreement, which means harmony. Understood? Which means concurrence. And conquest means defeat. My lovable students, my amiable friends, concurrence. So agreement is the synonym of concurrence. Currency, this is the money of a country, and agreement, which means harmony or concurrence, and occurrence means event, and conquest means defeat. So agreement is the synonym of concurrence. Question number 12. Improve the bracketed part of the sentence. The entire blame for crime cannot be laid at the doors of the state. My lovable students, my amiable friends, take a glance here. Cannot be laid. If we consider laid, it has also written incorrectly. Cannot be laid. We have to write cannot be laid. LAID. So option C will be the correct one. Be laid at the doors. Question number 13. In the following question, out of the four alternatives, select the alternative which best expresses the meaning of the idiom phrase in bold. The officer kicked up a row over the issue. My lovable students, my amiable friends. The officer kicked up a row, which means misbehaved. Understood? And disturbed someone. Kicked up a row. Its correct option will be made a great fuss, which means misbehaved and disturbed someone. My lovable students, my amiable friends. Question number 14. Select the word with the correct spelling. My lovable students, my amiable friends. Option A, pessimism. So, my lovable friends, it has also written incorrectly. PASSIMISIM. It should be written PASSIMISM. Pessimism. I am repeating this one again. PASSIMISM. So this is the wrong one. It should be written PASIMISM. It should be written. And optimism, option B, optimism, it had to write, but option B also wrong. And option C, consumerism. Option C is the correct one. It is written correctly. And option D, communalism. This is also this it has also written incorrectly. It had to write communalism, communalism, which means religious fantasism. So besides this word consumerism, what has written? Consumerism, which means the protection of the consumer. Consumerism. This is the correct one. Next one, question number 15. In the following question, a sentence has been given in direct or indirect speech. Out of the four alternatives suggested, select the one which best express the same sentence in indirect or direct speech. He said, Ravi, why are you sounding so depressed today? My lovable students, take a glance on the reporting verb. The reporting verb has written in past tense form. That's why the reported speech will be also in past tense form. According to the reporting verb, we can change the reported speech. That's why take a glance on option D. He asked Ravi that why was he sounding so depressed that day. He asked, the reporting verb explicated, the reporting verb has written in past form. Ravi, that why was, R will be changed into was, R will be changed into was.